Second day na namin sa Mountain Lake Resort. And today is the activities day. We're gonna do not all of the activities, but most of the activities.
Yeah, we're gonna go fishing.
Yes.
Fishing. What's next?
Jet ski.
Jet ski.
Kayak.
Fishing.
Swan boat.
Zip line.
I don't want to do the zip line. And
How about horseback riding? Not really.
It looks like the horse is so tiny. Like, hindi niya ako kaya.
So it will break the horse if I go on it.
Yes, poor horse. So, come on, let's go. We're just waiting for the shuttle from here to the activity area.
This is like a jeepney, yeah.
Kind of. Anong tawag dito?
Like a jeepney, yeah.
Multicab.
Nakaupo yan.
Nakaupo lang.
Yung ginawa ko sa yung isang zipline na nakayo.
Naka-Superman ka.
Pag ganun nga ako ay nakahawak lang. Yung sa thingy. Pag ganun.
Whoa.
Ang saya. Parang lang naman.
So this is like the reception in the activity area. And from there is the zip line. And then yun yung parang puntahan, may bridge. This is their swimming pool. And now we're heading to the area where we can do swan boat and kayaking.
Are we doing kayaking first?
We'll do them both at the same time.
Yeah.
And then we'll switch.
Okay.
There are bonfire pits as well. So last night dun kami. And yeah.
Over there.
And they have this campground as well for people who have trailers and tents. So dito sila. Ayan, malapit na tayo dun sa dock nila where they keep their kayaks, swan boats,
Are we
and
gonna get a photo with the I love MLR?
MLR.
Not really.
Yeah, sure. Do you love him?
Happy Sunshine Camp.
Happy Sunshine Camp. So this is their area. So yun yung banana boat, swan boat, kayaks. They even have the lake cruise and the jet ski. Sitting area dito where my mother dear will stay. Enjoy ka ma.
That one works.
Yeah, it works. That's the cruise now. That's the cruise.
So who gets to drive it? I'll bring another ate.
Another ate or kuya.
Another ate, kuya.
Yun dun nga eh.
Maganda daw, sasakay kami ni tita.
Aww.
Natandaan mo yung mga ginagawa natin para pag nagbayad mamaya. Tataob yun si Jejo. Uy, wag ka naman ganyan. I'm like that as well. Uy, babe. Yung ulo mo!
Hi. Hi.
Tawagan mo si ate, obstacle tayo.
Alam mo, meron buwaya dito.
Ha? Where?
Yeah, sabi may buwaya daw dito.
Jed, alam mo, meron buwaya dito? Yes.
Oh, really? Oh, well, hindi naman ako namatay, so... Buhay pa naman ako, so... It's okay. Si Kuya lang talaga yung nag-ano.
Si kaya lang.
Buwaya could have gone you.
And the buwaya will be very, very full for months and months. Okay, Jed, tawagan mo si ating naka-green para assist tayo ng obstacle course.
Oh, ay, nasa obstacle course tayo.
Ito na nga, it's an obstacle already in our life to get to the obstacle course.
Sumama na kayo, dali na.
Guys, ano ba dapat? Kaya lang, di ba? Oo daw. Oo,
Hindi nga. Ang corny nyo naman. Dali na. Minsan nga lang magka-obstacle course eh.
Kasi high tide, Kai.
Oh.
Hindi ko makita yung obstacle.
So,
Scary.
oh.
Tsaka baka may buwaya nga.
Those lamok things are in the water.
The lamok things?
what?
Lamok things. So, ito po. Papunta po kami sa obstacle course. And this is usually used by companies for team building and so that they can build their team. Ito din yung mga kubo-kubo for accommodation.
It's just one floor, eh?
Huh?
Just a floor, eh?
Yeah. Oopsie.
Oh, so you climb up, go down there.
And here's the obstacle.
Then you go
You
through.
climb up, then you slide.
You gotta go across the tires here.
Go across the tires. Then go across that cable balance.
Okay.
Oh my God,
And
parang
then-
saya.
And then you'll do a Karate Kid balance. And then you do the Tarzan swing.
Oh my God.
A military crawl. Oh,
Where?
yeah. Go get under the net.
Oh my.
It's gonna get very wet.
Pero high tide, so baka hindi ako pala.
So we can't do that because it's high tide.
Ano, military crawl.
And there's Palo Cebo as well.
Yun.
You climb that pole
Oh my god.
till the top.
This is challenging.
Because it's an obstacle.
Let's go.
And there's log crossing as well in there. So we got the Palo Cebo, then the log crossing there. The military crawl is already submerged in water. Then this is the Tarzan swing. Then, hindi, ito pa yung, may mini Tarzan swing. And this is the Karate Kid balance, the rope balance, the tire, and yeah. So, verdict. Are we going or not?
What you sub?
I'm not so sure.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Because the lamok things are in the water.
The lamok things are in the water now.
Otherwise, I'd be king.
So we have decided we're not gonna do the obstacle course. So we're just gonna go fishing.
Only because of the lamok in there.
In the lamok and it's high tide. We
Yeah.
can't.
And
We
but
can't. Yeah, let's go fishing.
At least I'll be on dry land.
Yes.
If obstacle course was on dry land, I would definitely go. But because it's in wet, you don't want to go there.
Yes. Sige ko. So we're now going to the fishing village. Because mangingisda kami. Actually, sila lang.
Ayun, no, may upuan. Diba?
Siguro, dun na lang. It's the fishing village. Ito yung mga boat houses nila. But the toilet of the boat houses is outside. So ito yung toilet, ito yung house. So you still have to go through this path na tinatahak namin papunta ng fishing. So yun ang ating fishing village. Kaya and Sam will try to go fishing. Farmville sila dito. May pa Farmville. Kamote ba yan? Parang kamote. Hindi, yung nasa sitaw.
Huwag lahat!
Ma'am, yung cream dory po natin is 150 per kilo. Tapos po yung red tilapia is 200.
Tapos lulutuin nyo na yan.
Pwede nyo rin po paluto. Pwede
May
nyo po
additional charge.
Opo. Tapos pwede nyo rin po siya ipalinis na lang. Tapos pwede nyo po siya iuwi.
Iuwi.
Opo.
Once you kaya si daddy. Fish and release na lang kayo. Yun na iuwi. So how was the experience?
Wala na ito na nga.
Alright.
Just got tanned. And how's the experience? Maybe your first fishing experience?
There's no fish there.
Amazing.
This bait, it's not that great.
Yeah, what's the bait?
I don't know, it's like this.
Salad yan ha.
Hindi, that one, is it red?
I'm black now. Again.
Hello! There you go. Ganda mo kay...
Pagod ako.
Ate, tapos na po kami. Wala naman kaming nahuli. May nahuli po kaming... Anong nahuli natin kay? And we're back to the hotel, clubhouse, or whatever this is.